Woohoo! There we go. Jimmy Page and Ella Fitzgerald. Who would have thought? Yeah, playing together.
Jamming.
Jamming, right. Whoa. They are so cute.
He's really light on his feet. Look at how bouncy he is.
She just takes it and keeps going.
She can do this all day long.
You guys are so cute. Look at him. He's like a jackrabbit.
I literally had to walk back in the building dragging him on my leg.